Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware from the DJVU family. This ransomware is called Nuow. So Nuow is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. By the way, it's a third ransomware sample which we found today. We found this sample on the VirusTotal database while researching new malware submissions. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system, and then after people restart their computers or turn them on, they suddenly notice these bad changes to take place, and they cannot open their files anymore because the files are given this Nuow extension. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You remember that a few seconds ago we were able to open these files without troubles, but now they have got this Nuow extension appended to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore. This ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend that you remove this nasty ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to remove this ransomware, but it will not help you to recover your data. You may get Combo Cleaner Antivirus on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then after you install the software, begin researching and investigating your computer. The program will be in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected from any other possible ransomware or malware attacks. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. It will not recover your data though.